This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Dow component Coca-Cola posted an all-time high on Tuesday. Taking a look back, a very strong rally in the 1990s topped out in the mid-40s back in 1998. That's that big red line right here. The stock finally returned to that level in 2016, started to test it. It looked like it cleared it until 2020 and then crossed it one last time during the pandemic. As you see, when it popped back above, it held new support right here, which set the stage for a rally in the second half of 2020 that got up about, say, about three-quarters of the way back to the prior high. It consolidated through most of 2021, made a little bit higher, finally taking off at the end of the year, returning to the prior peak of the February 2020 peak in January last month, going up a little bit above that level and then building this little consolidation pattern here for 6 weeks. Well, it just took off into a new high here, clearing finally this resistance level here and hopefully finally clearing this resistance level here. I think we finally get some movement on this stock. As you can see, shareholders are taking note. Take a look at this really nice accumulation. Came back up to the prior high in the middle of 2021, has now surged to an all-time high, and there's plenty of room for it to go because it's underperformed by rival Pepsi-Cola or PepsiCo in the last few years, and with good reason. PepsiCo is diversified into snack products, and Coca-Cola is not, making it very dependent on things like stadiums and theme parks and movie theaters, and we know those have been a problem. But things are really look up for Coca-Cola, and it's kind of a perfect post-pandemic play for risk-adverse investors because this is not a slow mover, but they pay a very nice dividend of above 2.5%, which is kind of nice as an inflation hedge. And so if you get that inflation hedge plus higher prices, you're really doing very well. And so Coca-Cola may belong in at least some portfolios at this time.